Most people think they know how to build a strong neck, but the truth is, 90% are doing it completely wrong. And if you've tried training your neck before and saw zero progress, it's not your genetics. It's not your frame. It's because you're missing the one thing that actually makes the neck grow. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to build a thick, bulletproof neck in as little as 6 weeks, even if you failed before. Look, a strong neck isn't just for fighters or gym bros. A strong neck makes you look more athletic, more confident, and protects you from injuries. But more importantly, a strong neck changes the way you carry yourself. So today, I'll take you through the real reason most people never develop their neck, the 4 muscles you must target, the only exercises that actually work, and a simple weekly routine that forces growth. This is everything I wish someone told me years ago. Part 1: the story most people relate to. If you're anything like me, you probably ignored neck training for years. I remember seeing guys online with these thick, powerful necks, athletes, wrestlers, martial artists, and thinking, must be genetics. My neck will never grow like that. I tried random neck curls at home. I tried those weird machines at the gym. Nothing changed. Until one day during a grappling session, someone accidentally yanked my head sideways and my neck felt like it snapped. I couldn't turn my head for days. That was the moment I realized my body was strong, but my neck was the weak link. And after that injury, I promised myself I would understand neck training properly. That's when I discovered the secret most people don't know. Your neck won't grow unless you train it in 4 directions, not just one. And when I applied this, my neck went from stick figure to athlete in just weeks. Let me break down exactly what I learned. Part 2: the truth about neck growth. The neck isn't one muscle. It's a network of muscles that work together. 1. Neck flexors, front of neck, the ones that keep your head from falling forward. 2. Neck extensors, back of neck, responsible for posture and strength. 3. Lateral flexors, side muscles, give your neck width. 4. Rotators, turning muscles, protect you from whiplash-type injuries. If you only train one of these directions, your neck literally cannot grow. That's why most people see zero results. They curl forward, but never train backward. They train backward, but ignore the sides. They train sides, but never rotate. Real neck growth equals 360-degree training. And I promise once you train all 4, your neck will transform fast. Part 3: the big mistakes you must avoid. Before I show you the exercises, I need to warn you about the 3 mistakes that stop growth completely. Mistake number 1: using too much weight. Your neck is strong, but the muscles are small. If you overload them right away, they just tighten up instead of growing. Start light, build slow. Mistake number 2: not training frequently enough. The neck recovers insanely fast. Training it once per week does nothing. You want 2-4 sessions per week, short and controlled. Mistake number 3: using momentum strength instead of tension strength. Most people jerk their head around. This does not build muscle, it builds injuries. Think slow, controlled, smooth movements. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll grow, guaranteed. Part 4: the only exercises that actually work. Alright, here's the part you came for. These exercises are scientifically proven, fighter approved, and safe for long-term growth. Exercise 1: neck flexion, front of neck. How to do it: lie on your back, bring your chin to your chest, move slowly 15-25 reps. Why it works: this fixes forward head posture and builds that front thickness. Exercise 2: neck extension, back of neck. How to do it: lie face down, lift your head, don't arch your back, 15-25 controlled reps. Why it works: this is what makes wrestlers and fighters look powerful from behind. Exercise 3: lateral flexion, neck width. This is the one most people skip, and it's why they stay narrow. How to do it: lie on your side, bring ear toward shoulder, 15-25 reps each side. Why it works: this builds visual thickness fast. Exercise 4: neck rotation, most missed. This is the secret to a truly bulletproof neck. How to do it: look left, look right, keep tension throughout, 20-30 slow rotations. Why it works: rotators build depth, stability, and injury resistance. Bonus exercise: the fighter neck bridge, advanced. If you're a beginner, skip this. if you're advanced at it later. Part 5. The exact 6-week neck routine. Do this routine 3 per week. Day and neck flexion 320, neck extension 320, lateral flexion 315, each side rotations 225. Day B, neck extension 415, lateral flexion 320, each side flexion 225, rotations 230. Schedule example: Monday day, a Wednesday day B, Friday day, and next week alternates. This routine is simple but insanely effective. Most people report visible changes in 3-4 weeks. Major changes around 6-8 weeks. Part 6. Real results. Here's the best part. A strong neck completely transforms your look. Your traps look bigger, your jawline looks sharper, your side profile looks stronger, your posture improves, you look more athletic without any extra effort. When I first built up my neck, friends literally said, "Bro, you look like you fight now." And I wasn't even doing combat sports at the time. A strong neck gives you that quiet confidence. It changes the way you walk into a room. It changes the way people perceive you. It even changes how you feel about yourself. Part 7. Safety plus form tips. 1. Always warm up just 1 minute of neck circles and gentle movements. 2. Keep everything smooth, no jerking, no throwing your head around. 3. Use your hand for resistance. If you have no equipment, your hand is enough for months of progress. 4. Never train to failure. Stop 2-3 reps before you hit the burnout point. This keeps gains coming and injuries away. Part 8. Final motivation. I want to leave you with this. Your neck might be the smallest area you train, but it gives one of the biggest visual payoffs. If you've been struggling with neck growth, if you've been insecure about a skinny frame, or if you just want to look and feel more athletic, start today. Do the routine I gave you. Stay consistent. Give it 6 weeks, and I promise you will not recognize your before or after photos. This is the transformation most people never experience because they never train the one thing that matters: a 360-degree approach. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, comment, neck gains, if you're starting the program, and subscribe for more science-backed training videos. I post weekly content that helps you build a stronger, more aesthetic body without wasting time on useless exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.